All right, good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Podoski Trading Academy. And today we'll be looking at a couple of pairs for the day. So I've seen a couple of opportunities coming in. So I just want to prepare you guys ahead of time. So let's see. So the first pair on the list is GBPUSD. So yesterday I yesterday I analyzed GBPUSD and we're looking for a selling opportunity, even though the overall trend is a buy, but we're still looking for a selling opportunity. So I said after the sell is done before we take the buy. So now the sell is almost done, so we have to position ourselves for the buy also. Since the sell we were right on it, we have to now prepare for the buy. So what let's start with the pre-market analysis from the monthly time frame. So on the monthly time frame on GBPUSD, I have my monthly upper zone here and my monthly lower zone here. So from the monthly time frame, I'm seeing a bullish market on GBPUSD. I'm seeing a bullish market like this, a series of higher high, higher low, higher high, equal low, a new higher high, and a higher low, and I'm seeing the higher high coming in. So what I'm expecting is price should move from here all the way to the upside. But is that going to happen? We'll find out in the lower time frame. So let's go to the weekly and see what is actually going on over there. So here on the weekly time frame, I have my weekly upper zone here and my weekly lower zone here. So from the weekly time frame, price is still creating a series of higher highs and higher lows. Even though the price is consolidating, there's a high chance price will break out of this consolidation by close of this week or next week. But I'm sure by the end of this month, price will tell us which direction it will break out. Will it break out to the upside or to the downside? By the end of the month, you will surely know. So let's go to the daily, since there's not much to talk about on the 4 hour, or on the weekly rather, not the 4 hour. So here on the daily, I have my daily midway zone here. So on the daily time frame, price has been creating a series of higher highs and higher lows. So you have a higher high here, higher low, a new higher high, a higher low, higher high, higher low, and a new higher high came in. Price came down for a higher low, went but failed to create a higher high. And this is not because there was not in price wanted to sell or anything. Mostly when you see price creating a certain patterns like this, most of the time is trying to create a double bottom, and it needs the liquidity, then the momentum, that after the formation of the double bottom, the direction it wants to go to, the buys, when it starts coming in, it comes in so fast that a lot of people miss it. So I've actually seen this pattern a lot. That's why I'm not too worried about whether price will sell, and I'm not looking for selling opportunity all the way to the downside. But that does not mean the market can't sell. The market can sell, but I'll tell you why on the 4 hour, how I would expect the market to sell if it was to sell. Okay, so on the 4 hour here, as you can see, this is how I'll be buying I'll be taking the buy on GBPUSD. But let me explain further. So on the 4 hour time frame, price is moving. Price was in a bearish structure. You have a double top here. After the double top, you saw a higher low, higher high, higher low, an equal high. Price came back, created an equal high again. Then we saw a new higher low, higher high, then a higher low. And price went up, creating a higher high, and it's coming down for a higher low. But the thing is, that is not going to be a higher low. Rather, it's going to be a double bottom. A double bottom. Like if you've been following me for a while, last year there I explained this on my YouTube channel. So when price is creating, let's say a double top like this, the first top might be at a supply zone, and the second one can be slightly above it like this, and the market will still drop. Something like this is still a double top, and the market can still do a double top like this, and it's still valid. It's not all the time that the market will go create a double top like this and drop. No, that's just drawing. That's not always valid. And a double bottom too can happen that way. The market will create a double bottom like this, or the market will create a double bottom like this. This one should be longer than this, yeah. And the last double bottom is exactly what's happening currently on GBPUSD. I believe that's what's happening. But there's only one way to find out. So the only way to find out is if we wait for the market to tell us if that's exactly what it wants to do. So for me, that's why I'm going to wait for GBPUSD to come down, hit my sell TP. After my TP on the sell, then I wait for a buying opportunity all the way to the upside. So that's how I'll be trading GBPUSD. So this is how I'll be trading GBPUSD. So if you are not in the Signal group, you can send me a message and I'll send you the Signal group link. It's completely free. You don't have to pay anyone to join. It's completely free. So that's that on GBPUSD. So let me see if I have the sell here. Okay, it should be here. All right. Yeah. So this was the sell we took in the Signal channel. This was it. It's still running. I analyzed this actually yesterday, and the market came and boom. Yeah, we hit TP1. We are waiting for TP2 over here because of how I've seen the double bottom and the double top. It's a chart pattern. That's what I use. So I've studied it so much that I can, like, I've studied it so much, so I understand it quite a bit. That's why I could have set my TP at this zone because the market might come there and buy. But I've seen this several times, so I've seen that this is also a possibility, and that's why I set my TP over here. So by morning, I'm sure TP will be hit, then we will also know what to do. So that's that on GBPUSD. And yeah, I wanted to add US30, but US30 looks okay, so you end it on GBPUSD, and I'll see you all in the next video.